The concrete pouring process in Turkey, using a concrete pump truck. In Turkey, as in many other countries, concrete pump trucks are widely used on construction sites to ensure efficient and precise concrete pouring. These specialized vehicles use long hoses and booms to deliver concrete over large distances and heights, making them ideal for multi-story buildings and hard-to-reach areas. Steps of the concrete pouring process. Site preparation. Before pouring, formwork and reinforcement are installed. The site is checked for stability to handle the weight and pressure of the concrete. Setting up the concrete pump. The concrete pump truck arrives at the site and stabilizes itself using hydraulic outriggers. The boom is unfolded and connected to the concrete hose. Concrete delivery. Concrete from the mixer truck is poured into the hopper of the concrete pump. The hydraulic system pushes the concrete through the hose to the designated pouring area. The operator uses a remote control to manage the flow and direction of the concrete for even distribution. Placing and compacting. Workers guide the hose to pour the concrete evenly into the forms. After pouring, the concrete is compacted using vibrators to eliminate air pockets and ensure structural strength. Finishing the process. Once the pour is complete, the pump is cleaned with water to remove leftover concrete. The freshly poured concrete surface is leveled and, if necessary, covered to prevent rapid drying. Advantages of this method. Ability to deliver concrete over long distances and high elevations. Faster pouring process compared to traditional methods. Accurate placement of concrete in complex or hard-to-reach areas. Key considerations in Turkey. Climate conditions. In Turkey's warmer regions, concrete pouring is often scheduled during early morning or late evening hours to prevent rapid drying. Quality control. Turkish building regulations strictly oversee concrete mix composition and pouring procedures. Seismic safety. In earthquake-prone areas, special attention is given to reinforcement and the quality of the concrete to meet seismic standards. Using concrete pump trucks makes the pouring process in Turkey faster, more precise, and cost-effective, essential for modern residential buildings and large-scale infrastructure projects.